there, I'm Marie Walker from the Northeast Georgia History Center, and I'll be your guide to World War I during our Young Historians Virtual Summer Camp, June 28th through July 2nd. We're going to hop in our time machine to meet historic characters, make homemade crafts together, period recipes, and learn what the era of World War I was like from different perspectives of those who experienced it.
So today I'm representing a French World War I soldier, or a poilu.
So yesterday we made Hoover cornbread. What did you think?
Now, during the Great War, we did indeed make quite a lot of care packages.
Votes for Women was one of the most popular and recognizable slogans used by members of the women's suffrage movement. Today we are going to make felt poppies in remembrance of World War I soldiers.
So prepare.